Search and rescue efforts are underway throughout the state after this week's major snowfall. This is a look at the conditions in eastern Colorado last night. Emergency management crews are working with the Colorado National Guard. As of this afternoon, 22 search and rescue missions have been recorded, with more underway. I'm Tori Mason, and for Kelly Worthman tonight, thank you for joining us. That snowstorm measured at 20 inches at DIA, but southeast of Denver, there was even more. Colorado's Division of Homeland Security says Elbert County was one of the most in-need areas. Your reporter, Michael Abeyta, joins us live now from Elbert County, where a lot of drivers ended up stuck when they were unable to get back on the highway.
Yeah, that's right. You know, a lot of those drivers ended up either in Elizabeth or in Kiowa, but good news tonight, at least east here of Kiowa, they just opened Highway 86, so those drivers that were stuck can now get on the road and head out to wherever their final destination was.
I was passing through, was trying to get up through, 70, but everything got shut down.
Kevin Gurley is a road driver in the transportation industry from Dallas. Wednesday, he picked up a load here in Colorado and headed out to Kentucky. But when he got to Kiowa on Friday, the weather turned on him.
That storm was intense. Heavy snow, pretty much impassable anywhere.
Blowing snow and drifts stranded many travelers on Highway 86 from Elizabeth to Kiowa and beyond. Kevin's truck slid off the road, and he's been staying in a shelter here ever since.
Everyone's been awesome. From the people at the post office, from the shares, everywhere I've been, it's been great. People have been reaching out, checking on me, fire department, shares, local churches. So yeah, it's been really it's been a blessing.
He spent the past day trying to get his truck towed out of the ditch, but with little success.
I've been trying to get trucking service to help, but everybody's been focusing on the main roads right now.
And even though he's been comfortable staying in Kiowa, he spent Saturday afternoon once again trying to get his truck unstuck. This time with a little more of a hands-on approach and a little help from the community. At around 2:30, he was finally free to make his delivery and get home.
Feels great. I've been here since, like I say, Friday. I get to make my trip now. These guys have been awesome, so I'm happy to be back on the road.
He's not the only one that got back on the road. That shelter that was here in Kiowa, everybody has been returned to their cars and it is now empty. In Kiowa, Michael Abeyta, covering Colorado First.
Thank you, Michael.